Okay, now we solve this question. Is big fraction. So, how to solve this kind of question? Just factor them. So, factor them like y89, y89. Because the last number is 9, so we can divide them by 3. So 3, here 6, 3. Then last number is 3. So we can divide 3 again. 2, 1. Then we can do that. 3, 7. Okay, so we can write 3 to 3 times 7. Okay, 2, 3, square root 3 cube times 7. Then plus 14. And this way, okay, we do that here. Equal. So how to do this? How to do this one? 3 times 7. We wanted, if we can do some number like this 2a. So then square root. So we can take a out. So we can do this times 7 times same number times 7. So it's equal 7 square 3 times 7. So that means 7 over 3 times 7, 21. Okay. Time square root 21, 7. Okay, plus then 2 times 84. 84. Okay. This here is 4. We divide 2. 42. Then we divide 2 again. 21. Okay. 21 we can factor again. 3, 7. Okay, so we can write 2 square times 3 times 7. Okay, we write again. So 2 to 3, 2, 3, 3 square times 3. So 3 to 3, we can write the 3 square times 3. Then times 7. Plus, here is 7. Divide 7, 2. Okay, here 2 square root 21. Plus, here 2 we can take out. 2 times 2 square 3 times 7, 21. Okay, here we can take out 3, not 3. Okay. Two over 3. So we can take this 3 out. Times 3. 3 times 7, 21. So this 3, this 3, the position is the denominator. This denominator, we can same time divide 3. So this here become 1, here become 1. Okay, plus 2 square root 21 plus here 4 square root 21. So here it's 2. 2 square root 21. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So the solution is 8 square root 21. This is the solution.